How to make a YouTube account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to create a Google account, firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser on your mobile or PC and then go to accounts.google.com. Here, tap on Create Account option if you don't already have a Google account, and you can then choose if it is for yourself or for business purpose. Further, enter your name, Gmail username, and password and verify with phone number and complete the setup. Once your Google account is ready, go ahead and open YouTube app or open youtube.com and tap on the sign in option on the top of your screen, and then go ahead and select your Google account, and you might need to enter your email ID if you've not already entered it previously. You now have a YouTube account, so in order to create a channel, go to YouTube and tap on your profile picture on top of your screen and then tap on the Create a Channel option. Further, you will be required to use your name or create a custom channel name. Further, add your channel name and the profile picture, which is completely optional. Finally, tap on the Create Channel option you see there, and with this, your channel will be created too. You can then go ahead and create a brand account, which is totally optional but is recommended. So, on your YouTube settings itself, tap on your profile picture and then on settings, and then enter your brand name and then create a channel. You can then go ahead and verify your YouTube account if you want. To do that, you will need to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and have live streaming. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.